Now in early November, we for the first time saw the design of the OnePlus 10 Pro and we're skeptical. Now the official video is largely showing the leaked design in its official video style, kind of confirming it. Now OnePlus has clearly went in a different direction if you look at the back and compare it with the OnePlus 9 Pro's vertical camera bump. Now the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature a squarish camera bump which houses a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and an 8 megapixel 3.3x telephoto zoom camera. Now the front design is more or less similar to the OnePlus 9 Pro, and so much so that you probably even won't be able to tell it apart. The OnePlus 10 Pro will likely continue to have the same QHD 6.7-inch curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. But this year, the display won't be LTPO display. Rather, it will feature a Samsung-made LTPO 2.0 display. Now, what is that? We still don't know, but Pete Lau has confirmed that. And same like last year, at the upper left corner of the display, the punch hole will feature a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now, the phone would be available in black, white, green, and light blue. I think the green one is the best one. As for the other specs, the device will likely be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, yes, and the phone will come with at least 8GB of RAM, with 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage. Now, here's the thing. Tipster Mukul Sharma on Twitter shared a Geekbench performance of the OnePlus 10 Pro, codenamed NE2210. The scores of 976 single core and 3469 multi-core are actually a bit on the lower side. But like always, it might be a prototype or something like that, not a consumer grade device, so don't take it too seriously. But because it was leaked, so I needed to tell you. The OnePlus 10 Pro will pack a 5000 mAh battery and may support 80 watt fast charging, and will also offer up to 50 watt wireless charging capabilities, according to past leaks. But there were also one leak where it was saying that it might just come with 125 watt fast charging capabilities. We will see. Now, a recent retail leak also suggesting that the device would be released on 4th of this month and the phone will hit the shelves on 11th of this month, according to today's video as well. So yeah, it's kind of exciting. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.